I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Telegram and going directly to the chat or channel that has the video you want to adjust. Tap the thumbnail to open the player. Once done, look for 3 dots or a settings icon near the top right. Make sure the video is playing or paused so the player controls are visible, because the quality options only appear while the player is active. You're now ready to change playback settings rather than altering upload options. Once the player controls are visible, tap the 3-dot menu or the gear icon to reveal playback options. You'll see a quality or video quality entry. Select it. Telegram lists available resolutions based on the file. Choose a specific resolution like 360p or 720p for stable bandwidth, or pick Auto to let Telegram adapt. You should notice buffering or data change immediately. Make sure you choose a lower quality on mobile data to save bandwidth and a higher one on Wi-Fi. After selecting the desired resolution, confirm the choice and resume playback to verify the change. If the quality option is missing, make sure your Telegram app is updated and reopen the chat. Sometimes options appear after a restart. If playback still won't switch, clear the app cache or force close and relaunch Telegram. This often resolves stuck players. Finally, test another video to confirm the setting works across files, because some.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.